I was in the middle, well, starting to prepare and prep dinner to cook. I said, let me just record it and show y'all some of the things I make on a weekday when I'm super busy and just on the go. This is my shredded chicken that I make in the slow cooker that could be used in, multiple ways. You're going to need some tomatillo salsa and a packet of taco seasoning. You could put other spices or whatever you prefer, but just don't over salt the chicken because you definitely can. So I'm going to open my taco seasoning and pour it all over the chicken, get it nice and seasoned. These are some pretty large and in charge chicken breast, but use as much as you want or as little. This is kind of sort of like a meal prep because over the next couple days I'm going to use it in all kinds of stuff: salads, rice, tacos, whatever you could think of. That's what it's going to be used for. So you want to season this up, get it all over everywhere as much as you can, and then I'll show you guys what I do next. So this is how it looks, nice and seasoned. This is pretty much the only spice that I'm going to use at this point right here. And now I'm just going to put my chicken breast down in here. Like I said, this was just something quick and easy. I realized that I've never made a slow cooker shredded chicken recipe on here before, and so this is pretty much what I did. So then I take the jarred sauce and put it all over top, and that's it. You're gonna cover it and let it cook till it's falling apart, tender, and I'll show you guys what's next. All right, after 6 hours, this is what the chicken looked like. Delicious, amazing. You see how much sauce is in this pot, child? When I was like, man, this might be too much sauce until I started to shred the chicken. And yes, I'm going old school. Y'all new school people, use the electric mixer and whatever else you like to use is fine. It's no big deal. But as I was shredding it, I'm like, oh, okay, so it's just going to soak everything up. So as you can see, I still had a lot of sauce. And as I'm shredding it, it's soaking it up. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look. But it was just so moist, y'all. It was so moist. The chicken breast soaked up all that sauce and so delicious. And now I'm going to show you guys ways in which you can use this shredded chicken. Just cutesy, nothing major, silly, just, simple. So this is the shredded chicken. You could put it on a taco or a tostada. I added some sour cream, some pickled jalapeno, sprinkled on some lime juice, and that's it, y'all. Okay? It's super simple and versatile, and this is one way you could do it. You could add some cheese. I didn't have any, so I didn't put it on here. But this wasn't even about what you could do with it. This is me trying to show you how to make this chicken. Now, this is another way you could do it. You can add some cream cheese. This is some chive and onion cream cheese I had. If you want to go low carb, you could add it in here to make it like a creamy texture. Like this, you see how it becomes creamy once you add some cream cheese to it. You can also add some shredded cheese and make it even cheesier. Just make sure you're careful of what cheese I wouldn't use yellow cheddar in here is what I'm saying. I wouldn't use yellow cheddar. Anything in like the Mexican area, that's what I would use. But the cream cheese was great. Then use your cucumber, whatever vegetable you prefer, and just dip it in there. Again, these are just examples of what you can do with the chicken. Next, you could also, if you have children, well, mine don't eat meat, but this is just an example. I'm showing you all in the kids' plate. You could put some rice, some of the chicken, a little Mexican blend cheese, some cucumbers, and there you go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!